Hi guys, welcome to my new video. Today I'm gonna show you how to super clean your injectors from the dirt of the combustion of the engine. For this experiment I will use WD-40 and a 5-liter petrol can. The problem of my car is the following. When I start the car, one of the injectors is malfunctioning and the engine is running poorly, and also the engine malfunction warning light comes on. I took 5 liters of petrol and I put it in a tank. Now we shoot the WD-40 for 8 seconds directly in the tank. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. And shake it! Now let's go put gas in the tank of the car. After running out of gas with WD-40, the problem didn't go away. I think it could be a valve problem, but the engine runs much better and this is smoother. So I believe the injectors are much cleaner. And I think the WD-40 works very well for cleaning the engine easily. So guys, I hope the video was helpful. Remember to subscribe to my channel and put a like. See you next time. Bye bye!